Good afternoon and greetings from Nucleonic Systems, Hyderabad. I'm the founder director of this company. Before I started this company, I was with ECL for about eight years. Left at the age of 35 and then started this company. This is our infrastructure. It's built-up area of about 16,000 square feet. Some of the important points about our company. It was founded in the year 1990. Production facilities spread over 16,000 square feet. Leading company in India in private sector. Has to its credit several first-time manufactured products in India, including few import substitutes. In-house R&D facility enabled accredited calibration labs. Recipient of Dr. Juneja Award for Creativity and Innovation in MSME for the year 2014. INS Industrial Excellence Award for 2014 again from Indian Nuclear Society. And J.N. Reddy received Lifetime Award from Luminous Society of India in 2017. And Certificate of Merit in Excellence Innovation from ELSINA 2017. This is a core management team who are responsible for the development of the products. Some of the achievements. First, microcontroller-based nuclear counting system was with embedded code for calculations was those days, it was about two and a half decades back. Those days people were, counting and then calculating using calculators, the activity levels, etc. So we were the first to have developed and supplied to BRC. Developed a new standard instrumentation as per AEC specifications. Dual scintillator-based radiation counting system with optimal design and optimal excellent performance. Overface scanning system was developed and supplied to UCL. And gasless low background beta counting system, an excellent replacement for gas flow type of low background beta counting system, which was developed was used by BRC way back. Developed and supplied good number of TL research readers and TL OSL research readers in DAE, universities and cancer hospitals for research. Neutron survey meter and neutron area monitor is another product which we developed. Stack monitoring system for medical cyclotron facility was another important product. Supplied large number of instruments for teaching and research labs in IITs, NITs, ISCRs, NICER, etc., central universities. Supplied complete package of instruments for medical physics course in universities. And package of instruments for 12 to 14 medical cyclotron facilities in India. Our contributions in different application segments include nuclear education and research and nuclear fuel cycle, healthcare, defense and homeland security, industry. See, these are the counting system, basic counting system for nuclear education, GM counter, gamma ray spectrometer, low cost version, modular gamma ray spectrometer. This is a MCA based on BRC technology, 1K/4K MCA. Both hardware and software we took from BRC, this technology. And this is TL research reader and TL OSL research. More than 50 units have been supplied throughout the country. We have exported about half a dozen of them to different countries. And over the past two decades plus, we have 400 PhDs and MPhils have been awarded using our system. And this is the only first company which has made available this for research in India. So this is a typical nuclear fuel cycle. If you see right from exploration, mining to enrichment, fuel fabrication, nuclear power plants, reprocessing and waste immobilization. So covering the entire nuclear fuel cycle, we have the product range developed and supplied to various establishments in the country. So I supplied instrumentation to almost all DA units, which include nuclear fuel cycle and the research labs. Way back, I think more than 2 decades back, when they asked, UCL people asked us only detect a sensitive GM detector. So I just told them that we'll give a complete solution, and personally I visited. I went through vertical shaft down and then horizontally in the Jadugoda mines. To my surprise, I found 3 persons operating the system. One was holding GM counter, another battery, and another probe. So they were taking the readings and calculating the percentage overgrade. So then immediately within 3 months, we developed a compact system like this, which could be operated by a single person, and then supplied this to which helped them, largely simplified their life. it was directly going in percentage ore grade. And coming to nuclear fuel fabrication area, NFC, we have supplied number of products, but this is more specialized product. Uranium enrichment analyzer, at 3 zones in the fabricated rod, they measure the enrichment calculations that they do. So this project we developed for them. So there are, for any nuclear facility or radiological facility, air monitors, area monitoring, environment monitoring, and personal monitoring. These are the 4 things that are required. So which comprise of all various instruments, whole body portal monitors, beta gamma and volt monitors, counting systems for alpha, beta, gamma, and dual scintillator based, handheld portables for alpha, beta, and neutron radiation measurements, area gamma monitors in different ranges, type tested qualified, seismic qualified ones, continuous air monitors for alpha, beta, and dual scintillator based, small article monitors, TLD badge readers, TL OSL, and then multi-channel analyzers, etc. are the products which we supplied over the years to various facilities. If you look at these, these are the various counting systems you are able to see. The middle one, the low background beta counting system, a gasless system. About 40 of them have been replaced with the gas flow type of systems throughout the country, and all ESLs, BRC, IJCAR, and all NPCL units, health physics units, they have purchased this. These are all area monitors. To the right, you will see type tested seismic qualified ones, which are supplied to some of the radiochemical plants and waste remediation plants. Left, you will see area monitors, next generation version with TFT displays. So there are small article monitor, whole body portals, and foot monitors, etc. So automatic badge reader, semi-auto. These are the instruments which we have developed for Indian Navy. Portable radiation monitors, area monitor, and the ship install radix system, single card badge reader. So to the left, you will see 3 of them. These are all type tested, conforming to JSS Penta 5. To the rightmost, you see the single card badge reader. That's the replacement for Russian version of badge reader for nuclear submarine that was supplied by us. Ship installed radix system is the only, we are, apart from ECL, we are the only company to have qualified to supply this product. And we have done, as a developing vendor, a number of projects we have done with for DLJ. So RADMAC with the external probe, with built-in probe, ACU. This is for a battle tank T90. And then RADMAC A for helicopter version. And the bottom grasp dome-based radiation sensor was also developed one. And we have also integrated with the chemical sensor. Nuclear and chemical sensor integration was done by us. And to the right is a portable radiation dose rate meter, which is under development for neutron and high gamma, low gamma, and neutron dose measurements. Instrumentation for strategic facility, which is coming up at Vizag. Portal monitors, gamma spectrometer system, noble gas monitor, gate monitors, environmental monitors. So these are the ones which are going to for that facility. Environmental radiation monitors, noble gas monitors, gate monitors. This is a gamma spectroscopy system. And health physics instrumentation, we have a lot of products complete. Most of the cancer hospitals, they have been buying from us. So this is a neutron survey meter. For the first time, we have developed that. For the past 3-4 years, we have been supplying this. And these are all again area monitors for that facility. Stack monitoring system is a good replacement for the impulse substitute. It comprises of 3 units: airflow meter, stack monitoring system with scintillation detector and GM detector. These 3 comprise the stack monitoring system. Hand foot monitor, TL research reader. This is isotope, isotope purity test and identification. That is what is used in the medical cyclotron facilities. This is a typical medical cyclotron in Apollo Cancer Hospital. Process lines. These are the display units. This is a exhaust stack duct area where we have installed our detectors. So in all, about 13 to 14 medical cyclotron facilities, we have supplied the instrumentation. For steel industry, which was for steel industry, which were there, all recycled steel industry, which were facing, export rejections, way back, couple of decades back. We were the first to develop this package of instruments for them. Rad check meter is one. It sniffs, it's basically micro survey meter. When it touches the component, it attenuates the natural background. If the attenuation is more by 15%, we say component is clean. So with external probe and internal probe. And there's a truck monitoring system, in the container carrying the metal scrap and all that. So we have, in all, we have supplied to about 8 to 10 systems. At seaports, we have supplied to Adani ports. It scans and leaves a signature from which no one can say that there's a contamination or not. Both gamma and neutron scanning is done for this. And for RS and laser for steel samples, special steel alloys, some other companies are exporting their products. So by using MCA method, we supplied this system. So one can analyze and then find now what is the contamination in that. Right side, the food sample and laser using the same MCA. For some of the exporting industries, we have supplied this. This is again for water sample analysis. No, I'll just take a minute.
Sir, please kindly conclude
just half a minute. So this is for low background beta counting system. This for water sample analysis. As per IS standard, we are the only company offering this system, and quite a few analytical labs have purchased this. So enable accredited calibration lab facilities we have, and some prestigious awards. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, sir. I think they can have more interaction